Hey you guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Annabelle, the Curvy Planner, on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok, basically all social media. Today I am going to be doing some flip throughs of this beautiful collection, which is Fresh Botanicals. I am so excited because from past collections, one of my favorite collections was the vintage botanicals and the dark florals. Like, oh, it was just my absolute favorite. So when I saw this, I almost flipped. I almost died. This is amazing, and I cannot wait to flip through it all with you all because this is my first time seeing all of these things and actually feeling it and flipping it. So I really can't wait. So let's go ahead and start with this right here. So these are the half sheets. So these are like fit a skinny classic. So it does come with, I believe it's two styles, or is it the same? No, so it has the front and back. So this right here is what the front looks like. It has notes here at the top left, sorry. And it has these beautiful florals here at the bottom. Just kind of gives me like the spring vibes, and it's just so ironic that this is coming out for spring. So it's just, oh, I'm so excited. And then the back, you have some more florals with the grid paper. So that is really, really nice. I can't wait to use these. They're just so pretty. I'm going to set these off to the side to make sure I don't ruin them because they're perfect. So the next thing that I have here is this Happy Notes. It is dotted line, if I'm not mistaken. At the end of this flip through, there's going to be a ton of plastic stuff off to my side. Yeah, dotted line paper. And it has like this gold foil, if you can see that there. Sorry about my light there, but yeah, it has that foil to it. And it says, let yourself grow. 60 pages. Oh, you guys, look at the inside. Like, you can even use the inside as like a cover. Hold on, let me grab some scissors. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna set that off to the side. Oh, look at the inside. So pretty. Let yourself grow. Let me scoot this over a little bit. Sorry, we're gonna be a little off-centered there. I think that's okay. Let yourself grow. Oh, look at this. How pretty. I even love this really pretty like purple, the purple discs. And it is like a very light green, like a kind of like a sage color. So pretty. And the paper is all the same. So we can flip past that and just show you the dividers. Seek beauty in all things. I love it. More line paper. I've been using notebooks lately, so I'm really excited about this. Wild and Beautiful, which this divider actually matches the planner. And then we have more paper. And this, you guys, is the back, so the inside of the cover. So you can definitely use this as a cover if you wanted to. And this is the back. Okay, so pretty. Okay, so then the next thing we have here is the Happy Planner. This is a vertical layout. So we love a good vertical layout. This is in a big, and this is 18 months. So you have plenty of planner to last you for 18 months, and you can redate it. So we love redating our planners because we can't wait to, you know, use our planners when they're supposed to start. And it comes with these beautiful like sage green discs. So pretty. Matches perfect with all the greenery in the flowers. It also has gold detail. It says Wild and Beautiful. Oh, I love this so much. And you got the inside. So the inside is pretty similar to the Happy Notes, but it's in green instead of the purple. This is your hello page. I just love how like it's like vibrant, like there's colors to it, but they're not bright colors. Like they're like a little bit more muted. Oh, I just love it so much. I don't normally use a big But I would definitely consider using a big for something like memory keeping or something like that. So this is so beautiful. So this is July, and I'm not going to flip through every single page, but I will show you the monthly view. The little flower, the spine is purple, and then this is the weekly view. So this is a vertical. So let's go to August. So it looks like it's going to switch, yeah, to this peach color. September. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Usually planners in the month of September are the ones that aren't foiled. So I'm really excited that this is foiled because my birthday is in September. And then it goes back to the sage green. I wonder if the flowers change. So they don't change per month, like in the weekly section. And here is October. Oh, and now it goes into this purple, like this lavender color. So cute. November. Peach. So good. December. January, let yourself go. Ooh, this is really pretty. Then we have March. So good. I forget that these are 18-month planners and there's a lot to flip through. So you know, I don't have to talk about every single divider to let y'all know that it's absolutely gorgeous. So amazing. I love this planner. I don't know if it comes in a classic size. I will try to find that out. Hopefully I can find that out before I get this flip through up. I'm going to ask the rest of the squad because, oh, so beautiful. I would definitely consider getting a classic size for myself. Wow. Oh, this is a really pretty divider. So pretty. I love how clean it is. There's just like so much space because I'm so used to a classic size planner. But this is really nice. So pretty. And then we have December. I love that this color, like it's still like florals, but it still kind of goes with December, like a Christmas month. And there is the end of it, and I'll show you the notes. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. And then the back is just like the front cover, but without the foil. So pretty. I'm gonna set this off to the side because we got more big items. So this is the Fresh Botanicals, again, companion pack. So this right here came in this extra packaging. I don't think that will come in the packaging that you would get. I just think that's because it was sent to me that way. But this is the Fresh Botanicals Planner Companion Pack, and it comes with a few goodies. So let's go ahead and dive into it. You can see kind of preview of what's in it. Okay, this is like snug in here. There it goes. Okay, so it comes with this really cute pouch. Wild and beautiful. You can use this for, I don't know, like some coins, extra stickers, maybe some washi. Sorry, how to clear my throat, but yeah, maybe some washi or I don't think you could fit a pen in here, but maybe you can fit some extra stickers or anything like that. Oh, this is really pretty. I feel like you could cut this up and like use this as a cover with like a clear cover on top of it, or even like inside your cover. So pretty. I've always loved companion packs because it comes with a little bit of everything. So you get some stickers. So pretty. Oh, look at these. So good. So good. And then you have an inspiration page. Live life in full bloom. Ooh, look at this one. This life is meant for dreaming. How pretty. Goals. And then you have a folder. Be truthful, gentle, and fearless. So good. And then you have the dry erase weeklies and dotted grid and notes in the back. So good. Okay, so let me set, I think I did it all wrong. How did I have it? I think it was like this. Okay. So good. Okay, I'm gonna put this, slide this back in here so I get things organized after. And then over here we have the snap-in envelope. This is in the like Skinny Classic. We have more snap-in envelopes. Wild and Beautiful, Kind Heart, Brave Soul. So pretty. This usually fits a mini if I'm not mistaken. And obviously you can put it in your classic or big, but it would be a little too wide for a Skinny Classic. Yeah, that is so good. And then this, wow, this is kind of like a, you can use this as like a to-do list. So it has this week. You can probably like write some more to-dos if you needed to, or maybe some, I don't know, maybe some trackers or something and some notes. So this is all, it looks like the same. Nope, there's different paper. So on the back of this sheet, it is dot grid in that sage color that we've been seeing. And then over here you have some really beautiful note paper. Look at the spine. Oh, so good. So beautiful. And then the back is the same. That is so pretty. I love this collection. I just always love the more florals and like just these colors to me. They just speak. So I'm so excited about all of this. So I'm going to stick that in there. Set this off to the side because I am going to show you the washi. I've been loving washi. So I am super, super excited about this. Just you guys, wow. I've been, like I said, I've been loving washi lately. I just use it like, I would say every single spread. So this is so pretty. Okay, I'm trying to look for the end of it. Here it is. But that's what it looks like. I just had the end, so just want to pull it out to show you. Oh my goodness, gorgeous. Gorgeous, honey. This with like some striped, like black and white striped washi would look amazing. And then we have some pink dotted washi. So good. You can see the color, but it's kind of, it's like this peach color. Because it's washi, it does get like normally like a little transparent. So you can like see it through when I hold it up, but it is like this pink color. Oh, and this would go so good with the Papillon washi. Let Yourself Grow, just over and over again in this like really pretty lavender purple. Oh, so gorgeous. Fits perfect with everything. I'm so excited about this. I'm just gonna put it back in here for now. And then look at this one with like the darker florals. Oh my goodness, so good. So, so good. Love that. I'm definitely going to be using this in my planner next week. So just an FYI, that's what we have coming. Okay, and then here we have Bloom Grow in this like deep plum purple. So cute. So cute. It's just the word that we love, isn't it? And then you have this pink and peach lined washi. So I'll kind of put it back because you can barely see it, but that is what it looks like. It's like a very soft pink, a very pale pink. And this is like a sage green with like purple florals. So pretty. I love it. I love it all. This is by far one of my favorite collections. One of them. But anyways, I absolutely loved everything and I hope you did too. I will leave all of the information right here on the screen and also in the description box down below. This is, if I'm not mistaken, will be live on the Happy Planner website on Tuesday. And again, I'll leave all the information on the screen. If you have any questions, please let me know. I am so glad to answer anything and I am so excited about everything. Be sure to check out the other squads flip throughs and unboxings. We all receive different things. So something that I didn't get or something that somebody else got, you know, it's all different. So definitely be sure to check that out. But I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.